So part of the Sejong tea range is also the Tepane tea infused with chai spices. So what I really love about this infusion is that it contains all the great herbs like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom pods, fennel seeds. There's some coriander in there as well. So it's a nice, strong, rich tasting tea. But not only does it give you the benefit of all the nutrients in Tepane tea, which is vitamin A, C, E, and zinc, but it also gives you properties such as anti-inflammatory coming from the ginger, iron coming from the fennel and the cardamom, and there's also a little bit of calcium contained in cardamom. So from this, you really get a holistic blend. I call it the awakening tea as well because it gives you a nice boost of energy. When you feel like you're a little bit tired of the coffee, I ask you to have a cup of chai spice tea, get a boost of energy in the morning, and revitalize the cells of the body.